Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I have received a parcel from Handmade with Love. So I know that what's inside, but I want you guys to pause this video and comment down below that what could be inside. So this is in collaboration with Handmade with Love. So I'm really excited to open this parcel. And also you have been commenting about unboxing videos, so here it is. So I'm opening it quickly. So if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I have already kept a story on Instagram regarding this collaboration. And also, yes, I have to say that this parcel box is very thick and it is very well packed. So I'm opening the outer cover and I'm so excited to open this because this is obviously handmade. So this is the parcel. I'm opening it quickly. You guys don't have any idea that what's inside. So let me open this slowly. I think you guys would have guessed that what could be inside. Obviously it is something handmade. And also handmade things are very special because it takes a lot of effort, idea and hard works of the person. And wow, I can see a super cute lavender parcel with a blue ribbon. So here is a thank you sticker, handmade with love, and it looks so cute in this lavender parcel with a cute blue ribbon. So let me quickly open this. So this is the sticker specially made for you, and these are specially curated for the person. Handmade with love. So this is a super cute, comfortable, warm and cozy cowl. So you can see the length, the colors, it is so beautiful. And these colors are so vibrant that it can go with almost all of my outfits. And also there is tag of handmade with love. And also there is a note, dear Monika, hope this beautiful cowl keeps you warm, made exclusively for you, Nandini. Thank you so much Nandini for this parcel, and I am super excited to use this cowl.
Gravity can't stop me
You have to
from
make a note of it that you are